Do you imagine?
Yes, I imagine.
अब ये मैं आपसे बातें कर रहा था आपके अब्बू की,
Yes.
कुछ दिमाग में चल रहा था ना, ओ ये कैसे होता होगा, या बाबा के होसी ले होसी, मेरे पोसल के में होसी, अच्छा साढ़े घर के सरोसी, चल रहा था ना, ये इमेजिन. Do you think?
Yes, I think.
Do you decide?
Yes, I decide.
Do you take?
Yes, I take.
Do you give?
Yes, I give.
Do you brush?
Yes, I brush.
Do you trim?
Yes, I trim.
Do you cut?
Yes, I cut.
Do you comb?
Yes, I comb.
Do you remove?
Yes, I comb.
Do you pull?
Yes, I pull.
Do you push?
Yes, I push.
Do you press?
Yes, I press.
Do you drive?
Yes, I try.
Do you accelerate?
Yes, I
Accelerate. Do you accelerate?
Yes, I
Do
accelerate.
you increase?
Yes, I
Do you decrease?
Yes, I
Do
decrease.
you overtake?
Yes, I overtake.
Do you pass?
You ride?
Yes, I ride.
I came to know that he rides.
Who rides?
He rides.
What's his name?
I don't know his name.
Accent.
It's his first.
Please ask his name.
What's your name?
My name is Shahbaz.
Shahbaz Hassan.
His name's Shahbaz Hassan.
I came to know that he stands and I also stand. I came to know that he reads and I also read. I came to know that he plays and I also play. I came to know that he washes and I also wash. I came to know that he speaks and I also speak. I came to know that he takes and I also take. I came to know that he gives and I also give. I came to know that he understands and I also understand. I came to know that he loves and I also love. I came to know that he doesn't hate and I also don't hate. Now that was the point actually. No, please.
सजना जे तू सजना बिन सजना की सजना बिन सजना की सजना बिन सजना की सजना
Ready? You people are ready? बड़ा सिंपल सा एक सादा सा सवाल आप इस बच्चे से पूछें. इस बच्चे के वालिद मेरे मोहसिन. I'm talking about not the 1984. आज से 39 साल पहले की बात. His father's name was Mr. Aslam. What a man he was. वह जी चाह रहा है कि वह ऊंचियां ऊंचियां चीखा मारा रोवा ते कुरलावा. That's the feeling of mine because I loved it so much. What a professional he was. हाँ जी, आपने क्या करना है, ये आप लोग आपसे एक सवाल पूछेंगे, सादा सा सवाल, और ये आपको जवाब देंगे. इनका जवाब आपने ज़हन में रखना है. जवाब आपने क्या करना है, ज़हन में रखना है, और मैंने फिर आपसे सवाल पूछना है on the basis of his questions. असाइनमेंट इज क्लियर. मैं इनसे सवाल पूछने लगा हूँ, आपने गौर करना है, जो जवाब ये दे रहे हैं आपने इसी तरह जवाब देना है. ठीक होगी बात? Do you read?
Yes, I read.
Do you play?
Yes, I play.
Do you recite?
Yes, I recite.
मैं पूछ रहा हूँ क्या आप खेलते हो? जी खेलता हूँ. पढ़ते हो? जी पढ़ता हूँ मैं. बस बहन जी. Do you eat?
Yes, I eat.
मैंने क्या पूछा था कि आप खाते हो? इन्होंने कहा जी मैं खाता हूँ. Do you drink?
Yes, I drink.
Do you press?
Yes, I press.
Accent. Do you wash?
Yes, I wash.
Do you watch?
Yes, I watch.
Do you love?
Yes, I love.
Do you hate?
Yes, I hate.
Excellent. अब बात समझाइए नहीं. तो आपका सवाल क्या होना चाहिए? Do और V1. V1 पता है ना?
Yes.
V1 जैसे आप लोग क्या कहते हो, फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. कितने लोग हैं फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब? टाइम क्यों जाया करना है? V1 सिंपल. डू यू प्ले?
Yes, I play.
वेरी गुड बेट. डू यू रन?
Yes, I run.
रन नहीं है, रन जनानी ना देना. दीवाल. रन नहीं, रन. डू यू रन?
Yes, I run.
वेरी गुड. डू यू वॉक?
Yes, I walk.
डू यू जोक?
Yes, I do.
डू यू पुश?
Yes, I do.
डू यू पुल?
Yes.
डू यू पुल?
Yes, I pull.
डू यू अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes, I
डू
understand.
यू चेंज?
Yes, I.
डू यू एक्सचेंज?
Yes.
डू यू कॉम?
Yes, I.
डू यू ब्रश?
Yes, I.
उच्च बोलना मेरे बच्चे. डू यू ब्रश?
Yes, I brush.
Excellent. Do you comb?
Yes, I.
Do you remove?
Yes, I do.
Right. He will do. हाँ जी.
Do you believe?
Yes, I believe.
जी.
He believes.
He believes. दोबारा.
He believes.
अब बात समझ आइए ना जी. जो आपको जवाब मिलेगा मुझे आप बताना है कि आपको पता क्या चला. अगर आप एक और चीज ऐड कर लें, अगर आप पिक कर लें, I came to know that, मतलब क्या बोला?
I came.
I came to know that, मुझे ये पता चला. I came to know that he believes. I came to know that he brushes. I came to know that he plays. I came to know that he runs. मुझे ये पता चला कि ये नौजवान क्या करता है, दौड़ता है. अब आप समझ आए? तो आप पूरी बात मुझे बताओगे. I came to know that. इश्तियाक, you got the idea? जी.
I came to know that he believes.
Excellent.
Do you forgive?
Yes, I forgive.
Yeah.
I came to know that he forgives. He
I
forgives.
came to know that
He
he
forgives.
forgives.
Do you like?
Yes, I like.
I came to know that he likes.
Do you read? Yes, I read.
I came to know that he reads.
Do you feel?
Yes, I feel.
I came to know that he feels. Do you play?
Yes, I play.
I came to know that he plays.
Do you take? Do you give? Do you push? Do you pull? Do you open? Do you close?
Do you open?
हाँ दोबारा.
Do you open?
ਆ ਸਜਣਾ ਜੇ ਤੂੰ ਸਜਣਾ ਓ ਬਿਨ ਸਜਣਾ ਕੀ ਸਜਣਾ ਬਿਨ ਸਜਣਾ ਕੀ ਸਜਣਾ ਬਿਨ ਸਜਣਾ ਕੀ ਸਜਣਾ
Do you observe?
Yes, I observe.
I came to know that he observed. Do you eat?
Yes, I eat.
You eat. You eat. Eat.
I came to know that he eats.
Do you sleep?
Yes, I sleep.
Do you sleep?
Yes, I sleep.
Do you sleep?
Yes, I sleep.
Very good. Yes, I sleep. Yes,
I
I
sleep.
take. Yes, I give. Yes, I sleep. Ji.
I came to know that he sleeps.
Very good, very good. Ji.
Do you express?
Yes, I express.
Express. पता है ना? Do you express?
Yes, I express.
I came to know that he expresses.
दोबारा बेटा.
I came to know that he expresses.
He expresses.
Do you sing?
Yes, I sing.
Do you sing?
Yes, I sing.
Do you sing?
Yes, I.
Excellent. जी.
I came to know that he sings.
देखो ना स्पेशल बदला है. देखो ना रुक रहे देख मौनी आएगा है ना?
Do you think?
Yes,
Do you
I
think?
think.
Excellent. Do you
Yes.
think?
Yes, I think.
Do you think?
Yes, I think.
ऊंचा बोलना. Do you think?
Yes, I think.
Very good.
I came to know that he thinks.
दोबारा.
I came to know that he thinks. I came to know that he thinks. I came to know that he thinks.
हाँ, he thinks. He think नहीं. You came to know that he thinks.
Do you stand?
Yes, I sing.
उधर खड़े होते हो जी खड़े होता हूँ. Do you stand?
Yes, I stand.
जी.
I came to know that he stands.
दोबारा.
I came to know that he stands.
हाँ, you came to know that he stands.
Stands.
She came to know that he
Stand.
and he sits. I came to know that he runs.
Do you imagine?
Do you imagine?
Yes, I imagine.
Do you imagine?
Yes, I imagine.
Imagine होता है दिमाग वाली आँख नाल देखना. दिमाग वाली एक होता है इस आँख से देखना, दिमाग की आँख से देखना. Do you imagine?
Yes, I imagine.
अब ये मैं आपसे बातें कर रहा था आपके अब्बू की,
Yes.
कुछ दिमाग में चल रहा था ना. हो ये कैसे होता होगा, या बाबा के वजह से ले होसी, मेरे अब्बू से के होसी, अच्छा साढ़े घर किस तरह होसी, चल रहा था ना. ये इमेजिन है. यार मैं बड़ा होगा, ये होगा, मैं बेग में लाइक हो दे, दोस्त बैठे, ये तो ब्रा बैठे, यार मेरी भी बेगम होसी, मेरी भी औलाद होसी, फलां ये तो डरदा बेचारे बेग पकौड़े खा देना, सरात उसकी भी आया पहले, यार मेरी भी सरात हो सकती. Do you imagine?
I came to know that he imagines.
You came to know that he imagines.
Do you like cricket? Do you?
हमारे मेरे पुत्र पढ़े लिखे लोगों ने बड़े मसाइल हैं. शुक्र तू तो मैंने से पढ़े. अल्लाह की बस बनी चावला मारनियां. जितनी गल्ला की कितनी करनी.
Do you open?
शुक्र है गल है. बढ़िया ना. जितनी गल्ला की कितनी करनी. दोबारा.
Do you open?
Yes, I open.
I came to know that he opens.
वेरी गुड. आपको ये पता चला कि ये जो नौजवान है ये क्या करता है, ये खोलता है. जी.
Do you hate?
Yes, I hate.
हाँ बिल्कुल ऐसा ही.
I came to know that he hates.
बिल्कुल नेचुरल फिनोमेना है, नेचुरल फीलिंग है. क्या पसंद करना, ना पसंद करना, बुरा समझना, अच्छा समझना, ये इंसानी मामलात है. और इंसान ऐसे होते हैं. जब से आदम, जब से आखिरी इंसान. हाँ जी. फिजिक्स वाला आदमी कौन सी बातें करेगा? फिजिक्स. केमिस्ट्री, केमिस्ट्री. बायो, बायो. मैथ,
Math.
मुसलमान कौन सी बातें करेगा? इस्लाम वाली.
लेकिन करता नहीं है.
क्यों नहीं? अमल है, अमल, अमल.
बोली सही.
माइयों मेरे बेटे, अमल.
Do you ride?
Yes, I ride.
I came to know that he rides.
ये सवारी करता है. राइट.
Do you speak?
Yes, I speak.
I came to know that he speaks.
Do you ride?
Yes, I ride.
I came to know that he rides.
Who rides?
He rides.
What's his name?
I don't know his name. It's his
Accent.
first.
Please ask his name.
What's your name?
My name is Shahbaz.
Shahbaz Hassan.
His name's Shahbaz Hassan.
I came to know that Mr. Shahbaz Hassan
Rides.
rides. Where are you from?
From Daiwal.
You're from Daiwal.
I came to know that he's from Daiwal.
Very good. What's the name of your father?
My father's name is Muhammad Aslam.
Ji.
I came to know that his father's name is
His
Aslam.
father's
father's name-
names.
His father's name is Muhammad Aslam.
Is he alive? No, he isn't. Ji.
I came to know that his father is not alive.
His father
Is not alive.
isn't.
Isn't not alive.
इसके खूब मेरे
Isn't alive.
बहुत ही खूबसूरत इंसान. First time I met him in 1984. In 1984 at the Iwal. What a man he was. Allah ने कब्र मुनव्वर फरमाए. The question.
Do you follow?
Yes,
I came to know that he follows.
Excellent. Ji.
Do you play?
Yes, I play.
I came to know that he plays.
Excellent. You came to know that he plays.
Yeah.
Yes. What would he play?
I don't know, but as he is coming from the Iwal, he should play cricket.
Yeah. Excellent. Do you play cricket? No.
Oh.
Which game do you play?
नहीं खेल.
तो फिर कहो ना कि I don't play. फिर ये ना दान ना लाओ ना. Do you play?
I don't play.
है क्या को ना मेरे को. Do you play?
I don't play.
फिर ये करें नहीं. See.
I came to know that he
He
Sorry, doesn't play.
आज फंसे पे आज वहाँ फंस गई. कितने में लगता है नहीं रिकॉर्ड कर.
कोई नहीं देते सर.
कोई ना दे.
कोई नहीं देते.
मैं हमने खुद तो ना बनाया.
पता उन क्लास से जाके लगे पकौड़े निकाल रहे. सर बनाया इन्होंने नहीं था.
Pizza.
क्या होता है?
Pizza.
Okay. See.
Do you run?
Yes, I run.
Run नहीं, run बनानी है.
Run.
For God's sake. Run नहीं. Run नहीं. Run. जी.
Do you run?
Yes, I run.
I came to know that he runs.
He runs. Excellent. Yeah.
Do you listen?
Yes, I listen.
I came to know that he listens.
Excellent.
ਅਸਲਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਜਨੇ ਕੀ ਕਰੀਏ ਅਸਲਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਜਨੇ ਕੀ ਕਰੀਏ ਨਸਲਾਂ ਤੱਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਭੁੱਲਦੇ ਬੇਨਸਲਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਨੇ ਕੀ ਕਰੀਏ ਪੁੱਠੀਆਂ ਚਾਲਾਂ ਚੱਲਦੇ.
Do you think?
Yes, I think.
Do you decide?
Yes, I decide.
Do you take?
Yes, I take.
Do you give?
Yes, I give.
Do you brush?
Yes, I brush.
Do you trim?
Yes, I do.
Do you cut?
Yes, I cut.
Do you comb?
Yes, I comb.
Do you remove?
Yes, I comb.
Do you pull?
Yes, I pull.
Do you push?
Yes, I push.
Do you press?
Yes, I press.
Do you drive?
Yes, I try.
Do you accelerate?
Yes, I
Accelerate. Do you accelerate?
Yes, I
Do
accelerate.
you increase?
Yes, I
Do you decrease?
Yes, I
Do
decrease.
you overtake?
Yes, I overtake.
Do you pass?
Yes, I pass.
Do you wash?
Yes, I wash.
Do you litter? Litter क्या होता है? LITT है. Litter गंदा करना, बेतरतीब करना. गंदा कर देना, बेतरतीब कर देना, चीजों को इधर-उधर कर देना. Litter. LITT. Litter. Do you litter?
Yes, I do.
Do you arrange?
Yes, I arrange.
Excellent. Do you love?
Yes, I do.
Do you hate?
Yes, I
Do
hate.
you share?
Yes, I
Do
share.
you sit?
Yes, I
Do
share.
you stand?
Yes, I
Do
stand.
you run?
Yes, I run.
Do you jog?
Yes, I
Do
do.
you walk?
Yes, I
Do
do.
you talk?
Yes, I do.
और करना है. I came to know that he talks. I came to know that he talks. And I also talk. I came to know that he talks. And I also talk. I came to know that he plays. But I don't play. दो ऑप्शन है ना. जो काम ये आपको पता चला कि ये करते हैं, आप वो करते हैं या नहीं करते हैं. And I also. And I also. नहीं करते but I don't. नहीं करते तो but I don't. बात क्लियर होगी.
I came to know that he doesn't play, but I play.
Very good. You came to know that he doesn't play, but you play. What do you play?
I play cricket.
He doesn't play.
Yes,
Should he play?
Yes, he should play.
Excellent. You know that he is from the Iwal. Which game should he play? You know that he is from the Iran. He doesn't play any game. Which game should he play?
He should play two games like cricket and volleyball.
Cricket and volleyball. Okay, playing game is good or bad?
Good.
It's good. Why don't you play? This is the question.
I came to know that he works.
You came to know that he works, no?
I also work.
You also work, no? No, which work do you do?
Homework.
What do you mean by homework?
Like going to bazaar by
No bazaar. There is no
Market.
bazaar. What?
walking.
Market. No market. Market. Yeah?
Market.
Market. This is market now. Okay. You go to the market.
Yes.
Okay.
I go to market for buy vegetables.
What do you do now then? You go to the market. Okay. Number 2.
Buy vegetables,
You buy vegetable.
fruits, and
You buy fruit.
stationery.
You buy stationery. Please, you're a student, no? And you work.
I go market.
Market. Whatever the question is there, he goes to the market.
I complete my sentence.
Yeah.
I go market buy a book. After
Very good.
programming.
तो फिर छोड़ दे मार्केट ही जान छोड़ देना. I buy books.
Buy books.
I read books. I understand books. I develop my confidence. I enrich my mind. I polish my characters.
Yes.
Okay, I polish my thoughts. I polish my idea. There's no end to it. Which work do you do?
I buy books and I read books.
Okay.
I read computer books.
Okay, please.
I came to know that he reads.
He
but
reads.
I doesn't read.
But I.
Doesn't read.
What's the mistake?
Don't.
I came to know that he reads, but I don't read. So what's the reason that you are not reading? Okay, so what's the reason? Your mother doesn't allow you to read.
No, no,
Your father doesn't allow you to read.
no.
Why are you busy all the time?
Sir, in playing games, mobile phone,
Mobile phone, no?
playing volleyball.
It's good habit or bad habit?
That.
Bad habit. He should read or do other works.
We came to know that he listens and I also listen.
What do you listen to?
I listen to Quran.
You listen to the Quran. Now that, whose recitation do you like the most?
I decide.
You recite yourself. Where did you learn it from?
I learned it from Bashir.
Sure. सर हाफिज बशीर
Yes.
उनका बेटा मेरा स्टूडेंट था 98 में 1998 पूछिएगा सर से उनका बेटा मेरा स्टूडेंट था मौलाना बशीर कमाल का आदमी नो यू आल्सो लिसन नो व्हाट डू यू लिसन टू
When I come here, I listen English language.
या यू लिसन टू द इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज नो दैट
Yes.
यू लिसन टू इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज ओनली एट दिस प्लेटफॉर्म और समवेयर एल्स एज वेल
When I watch English movies,
या एक्सीलेंट नो
that time I listen English.
एक्चुअली लिसन टू इंग्लिश नो वेयर डू यू वॉच इंग्लिश मूवीज
At home,
एट होम नो दैट व्हेन डू यू वॉच इट
when I am free.
ओके व्हाट डू यू गेट फ्रॉम द मूवीज
He can conclude a story from
Yeah.
a movie.
He would get different themes.
Yeah.
He would get different lessons. He would get different ideas. The ideas about crossing, about dress, about different things, about different places,
Yeah.
about different, know that even accent, the way that you get the delivery and so on.
Yeah.
Okay. So you watch movies.
Yes.
Your parents don't mind it.
Not.
Your mother doesn't mind it.
No.
Your father doesn't mind it.
No.
Your parents don't mind it.
No.
Okay. Who else watches movie? You know that in your family.
I am alone.
How often do you watch movies? How often? Once a week, twice a week, no that daily or no that on every night?
Every night.
Every night. Sona kam hai.
I came to know that he stands.
I came to know that he stands and I also stand. I came to know that he reads and I also read. I came to know that he plays and I also play. I came to know that he washes and I also wash. I came to know that he speaks and I also speak. I came to know that he takes and I also take. I came to know that he gives and I also give. I came to know that he understands and I also understand. I came to know that he loves and I also love. I came to know that he doesn't hate and I also don't hate. No, that was the point actually. No, please.
I came to know that he stands and I also stand.
Very good. No. He stands in the classroom. Where do you stand?
I stand every place.
Very good. You stand at every place. In the washroom. Do you stand in the washroom?
Yes, I stand.
Excellent. So good. No. No. Do you stand in the kitchen?
Yes, I stand.
Do you stand in the bedroom?
Yes, I stand.
Do you stand in the TV lounge?
Yes, I stand.
Do you stand on the road?
Yes, I stand.
Everywhere. Yeah. Love you. Love you.
I love you.
बिदिल्ला क्या मोहब्बत भीख मांगने से नहीं मिलती.
I came to know that he eats and I also eat.
Do you know what he eats? Humayun, do you know what he eats?
As usual routine, he eats.
No, I don't know.
I don't know.
क्यों?
Because I did.
Because he didn't tell. Because he didn't tell it. Because I did it. Ask. तुक्के को मारने ना भाई, तुक्का तो रजमम बिल गैब। सूरह काफ हाफिज कौन बैठा है? और कौन बैठा थे? हाफिज कहा रजमम बिल गैब, तुक्के लाना। कुरान कहता है रजमन बिल गैब, लग गया था ठीक। सूरह काफ में रजमम बिल गैब, रजमन बिल गैब, नो रजमम बिल गैब। So we don't know what he eats because he didn't tell us. अरे तो पता लग रहा था ना जी। You also eat. No, what do you eat?
I eat mango.
You eat mangoes. Where do you buy those mangoes?
I buy in market.
From the market. Know that. Which market do you buy the mangoes from?
Khushab market.
What's the name of that Khusha market?
Kacha Bazaar.
Excellent. Kacha Bazaar. Oh Allah. Rewaz Hotel. Oh, एक कच्चा बाजार। लुधियाना। Sunny. Oh Allah. Teresa पहली दफा। कच्चा बाजार, no? Any famous shop in that bazaar?
Ashraf Kiryana store.
Very good. Who's owner of that?
Muhammad Rahim.
Muhammad Rahim. No, that how old is Mr. Rahim? Aye, पीछे पे आ गया। I came to know about nothing. I came to know about because I understood nothing. I can't say anything because I didn't understand anything. I came to know about nothing because I didn't understand anything. I can say nothing because I understood nothing. Purko.
I came to know that he touches.
He left school when he was in grade 3. Remember? थक गया।